Here.
All right. Technical difficulties. I see what they did. All right. That's a lot of shiny pieces.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Can't see.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah. Another one. Oh, we got this pack really well at least.
Soon to be giveaway Cobb plates.
Yeah, no joke. Ooh. Shiny bits. Look at this rock, like super good. There's a shiny piece.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Look, I like the laser etching. Yeah.
Oh, new tips.
Looks like you get my tips, baby.
Nice. Nice. I get new tips out of this. I get colorful ones where you get Cobb brand ones. Ha. Well, at least they wrapped it really good for shipping.
No joke. I'm
Like-
happy with that.
All the extra foamy bits.
Yeah. There.
There we go. There's the
That'll
beauty.
be driver's side.
Nice. Oh. Oh, we got one asking, where did you get it?
I got this from GBP Performance. They're out of Quebec.
We'll post a link to their Instagram and website later. Beautiful.
Yeah, no complaints.
Nope.
That's nice and solid looking.
I just see
Likes it.
cleaning the chrome constantly.
No, this is stainless steel.
Oh.
It's underneath the car anyway, so.
Well, the tips are going to have to get cleaned constantly.
Yeah, that's gonna be a chore.
Yeah.
But those ones are no different.
All right, what's the next part we got here?
This one. All right.
What's the next piece?
What else?
Oop,
That's the other.
tip.
Yeah, that's the other side of that one. Just Yeah, they definitely wrapped it good.
Oh yeah, lots of, like, I'm gonna save some of this for shipping some of my stuff, like my car parts.
Don't want to get too carried away.
Nope.
Scratching shit.
Nope, don't scratch it. Gentle. It's perfect art piece. You got to make sure it's perfect.
Wow.
Like, that's basically what Cobb is like art for cars. It's like fancy art for cars.
Overpriced.
Eh.
That is what it is.
So's artwork.
Yeah. There she is.
Woo. Second one.
That'll be that piece.
And nice.
Next. I think that's the last one, actually.
Ah.
Put that there, just get it out of the way. Sure. That was awesome.
Ooh.
Gaskets. Ooh, another sticker.
Oh, and this is the favorite part, stickers.
Yeah, right. That makes it all worth it.
Yeah, just getting that sticker right there makes everything worth it.
And that's it. Just more packing pillows. So I'm just gonna get this out. And get the plastic off of this.
Yeah, all going on this car, guys. Oh, thank you. More car parts, and it's all gonna go replace these needing to be clean tips.
Yeah, God, those are hideously dirty. You got it, Gio.
Yeah, it's a Cobb catback. My soon-to-be tips. Let's go find his. Where'd you put him? And for the ones that just joined, the fancy new tips. Absolutely stunning. Engraved right there.
Yeah, that laser etching's cool.
Right? The laser etching's beautiful. And extreme packaging takes about a good half hour to get into it.
Jesus, no kidding.
Thought the box was fun.
Yeah, it's all going on today. And I just gotta wait to hear back from Justin at Freaktune about the remap.
Yeah.
So Justin, buddy, if you're out there, man.
Yeah, and the tune coming now would be blessing. Ooh, there we go. I saw some shiny now. Oh, beautiful.
Just like an onion, it's all about the layers.
Yeah.
Alright. Ah, and there it is, eh?
Beautiful.
Oh, good times.
New car part day is always the best day.
Oh, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't notice that till just now.
Oh, there we go. There's the goodie bits right there. Yeah, yeah.
Here's the money shot.
Canadian Speed, yeah. Big hard eyes, yep. That's the money shot right there.
Well, it's too bad they put. I mean, it's nice that they tag it like that, but it's too bad it's pretty much going to be hidden up away.
Yeah, but that's why you
Well,
take the photo shoot first.
I guess that's the top. So, anytime.
Anytime your car's
Heaven
lifted.
forbid, anytime it's up on a hoist, you know, that'll be what they see.
That's funny.
Nice. Well,
Oh.
she'll be growly, and then again, she'll be a little quiet now too.
Right?
A couple little dings in shipping, looks like.
Oh.
Yeah, there.
Well, it's a good thing that that's going to be the covered part.
I mean, it's nothing. It's not really any damage, and it's actually gonna be sucked up.
It's probably going to
underneath.
get a little damage just being up there, right? Maybe?
Better not.
No.
It's not that low. So.
Okay.
Stock height. But there she is, fellas. Ladies and gents, anyone watching? New parts. Just thought I wanted to share it. Haven't done a live video yet, so here you go, everybody. I will make a video. I'll post a cold start of what it sounds like at the moment, just for comparison. And then I will, after I get all this sorted out and hopefully hear back from Justin soon, I will do another short video, cold start, the new Cobb catback. It'll be full 3-inch, catless all the way front to back now. ATP, 3-inch long tube catless downpipe to the 3-inch Cobb catback. See how she sounds. And I want those ponies at this stock exhaust is robbing me. Well, thanks everybody. Have an awesome Thursday.
and May long weekend for us Canadians.
Right?
May long weekend coming.
So enjoy. Stay safe. Don't be stupid, everybody. Social distance. Who cares? Go out, have fun, but be safe and smart.
Exactly, guys.
Cheers,
Exactly.
everybody. Have a good one.
Have a good one, guys. Bye.